In the book, you propose organizing
Yes.
as a form of leadership. What is organizing?
Well, it is a form of leadership, but by leadership, I mean accepting responsibility for enabling others to achieve shared purpose under conditions of uncertainty. So it's leadership not as domination, but as empowerment. Organizing then asks, well, not what's my issue, but who are my people? Who are the people with whom I make I choose this responsibility? And secondly, what are their needs and hopes? Specifically, not because somebody did a study, but the pain points, the hope points. And third, how can they turn their resources into the power they need to achieve the goals that they have to offer their children a decent future? And the way we go about that is rooted in 5 practices that everyone is capable of. Building real relationships, not transactions. Communicating shared values by the use of narrative and storytelling. Figuring out how to turn what you have into what you need to get what you want, which is what strategy is about. Taking action, and finally structuring ourselves so that we can actually govern ourselves, make decisions, hold ourselves accountable, and share responsibility.